Alright, you guys, J-Dub is back, and today we're going to unbox the limited edition of Scarface, the Blu-ray plus digital copy steelbook. As you can see, I got it from Best Buy for $19.99, even though it says $29. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Limited edition includes steelbook packaging, digital copy, download by September 30th, 2012, 10 collectible art cards, original 1932 Scarface. Oh, snap. The ultimate Scarface experience. Perfect and high-def picture plus 7.1 sound. Includes bonus DVD of the original Scarface 1932 plus 10 collectible art cards. Blu-ray exclusive Scarface, the Scarface phenomenon. This all-new documentary explores a film played with troubles is now considered a cult classic, influencing a whole new generation of filmmakers and leaving a lasting imprint on the pop culture. You control Scarface scorecard, track the F-bombs, all 207 of them by the way, and the bullets fired while you watch the movie. Picture-in-picture access, cast and filmmaker interviews, plus a view a scene comparison between the classic and the director's Howard Hawks' 1932 original as you watch the film. Pocket Blue app, yeah, BD Live and all that crap. It's made by Universal. It's R-rated. It is 2 hours and 50 minutes, if you can see that. 2 hours and 50 minutes. We got additional features, deleted scenes, the world of Tony Montana, the rebirth acting, the creating Scarface, the TV version, the making of Scarface, the video game. Oh, okay. This is my second steelbook, the first being Battle Los Angeles. So, yeah. So now I have 2 steelbooks and 2 digibooks. I look forward to adding more to my collection. And you can see that comes off. And there's the back. Scarface. There's the side. There's the other side. Very sweet. Let's open it up. Okay. You have the Scarface Blu-ray. Check out that artwork. It's very nice. You have the original Scarface on DVD. It's pretty cool. You got some inside artwork here. You got the digital copy of Scarface, which expires in a year. You got more artwork here. I love this machine gun he had. That was awesome. And then, if I can get it open, we have the art cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, very nice. Well, that was just my quick unboxing of the Scarface steelbook on Blu-ray. I am J-Dub. I am out. Peace.